Alright people, my name is Adesh and this video is about a batch announcement. So welcome to this session. I'm really excited to tell you that we are coming up with this full English exam focused regular batch for CA Final AFM for the attempt of May 26 and onwards. So if you're someone starting to prepare AFM, looking to score great in AFM in the exams, then this is the video you must watch. In fact, this is the batch you must consider to take, and I'll tell you the reasons for that. So this batch, people, is not only going to give you great results, it is going to give you great clarity of concepts, good coverage of questions and coverage, and most importantly, it will give you an ability to think, it will evolve your thought process. Yes, so let me tell you one by one about this batch. Why is this really important? Sir, this is exam focus regular batch, as I say. Yes, so I think the first thing you would want to know before this batch is about me. The person will be teaching you, right? So starting with a brief introduction of myself, I'm a CA and CFA, has completed my CA in 2016 and then CFA in 19, fortunately everything in first attempt. Then I started to work in Mumbai. So I worked for 2 years in 1 year in Morgan Stanley and then a year in ICICI Securities in the field of equity research. I hope you know what equity research is. It is a core finance field where you do research, analysis, valuation, etc. things, right? Then I have been teaching to you people, CA final students. I've been teaching CFA students and also taking training session on financial modeling. Yes. So the reason for sharing this with you is really simple. When I come to you with the qualification or knowledge of CA and CFA. I come to you with the real world experience in MNCs, that too in the core finance field of equity research. And I come to you with the teaching understanding and experience, not just of CA, but CFA and also to the financial modeling people. Now, with all this, right, I would want to share with you all, I would want to pass on to you all the pieces of knowledge which is relevant for your learning, for your exams, for your real world growth. Yes, this is why I wanted to share all this with you, that what is the background with which we will understand things, right? So, more importantly, now let me talk to you about the batch. The reasons why you must consider this batch, or if you don't consider things, what are the things you may end up missing out? So, starting with the first and my favorite, the unique concepts notes. The concepts notes that we use in the class are really unique, the only in India which you will use, sir, which is, let me show you. We call them OutNotes. For example, this is the page which is open, right? All these, the entire concepts notes have been designed in terms of tables, charts, timelines, graphs, structures, rather than boring text, right? If I tell you a simple question, what is more interesting for you to read, a plain boring text or the colorful graph, tables, diagrams, charts? Obviously your answer will be option B, right? So this learning with this way not only makes your first time learning interesting and easy, but also graphs and tables and timelines you are able to retain for a longer time. So you learn, you take the batch now, but if you revise it after a year, you'll be able to connect to what was being taught in the class. Not only you'll be able to retain it for a longer time, imagine your exam day revision. For example, this is the thing you have to revise. If it is boring text to revise, it takes time to read. However, when there are charts and tables and diagrams, you are able to quickly recollect the step that this is step number 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. This is how a practical question gets solved through your imagination, in your imagination. Yes. So with this approach, when you learn, your learning become easy, your attention become longer, your recollection become quicker, even in the exam. Second important reason, why are these, like how are these outnotes helpful to you? For example, let's say I open a random page. For example, this particular page in portfolio management. Cool, this particular page. Sir, do you agree that if I make you people write down everything, it will take, for example, 400 hours of time when you write down everything with this depth with which it is written in the outnotes? Or when I give you everything pre-written, we won't be able to, you won't be able to understand the things as good as when you understand it, when you write it down at your own. So in these outnotes, we have found a midway solution. For example, related to any particular concept, say CAPM. What do? We, sir, end up writing certain basic things, certain basic backgrounds, maybe the steps to solve the practical question, etc., etc. Basic things are being written out. But the important things like the equations, the things, the details of the equation, the creation or the presentation of that equation in the graph, or applicable or application of that concept to the practical question, all those more important applicability based things we do in the class together by writing them down. Yes, so this is a midway solution which saves your time by not unnecessarily writing extra things, and which makes your learning effective by writing down the things which are of use in the practical question. These are the outnotes with which I have that confidence that why can you do better in the exam, right? This was the first thing about the outnotes. Sir, second, let me tell you, this was about the outnotes. The second reason why you must consider this batch. Second is the complete question bank. The question bank that we refer to has a compilation of all the publications by institute, RTPs, MTPs, exam paper, study material, practice manual, board of studies, knowledge portal, everything, which means beyond this book you won't be needed to refer even to a single question. Okay? Let me tell you, this video is going to be a bit longer. When you take that decision of any regular batch, you end up spending some 200 to 250 hours to do that batch. So it's worth to spend at least 20 minutes to figure out you make a right choice of, you make a correct choice of choosing a right batch. Yes. So that spending that extra time is worth it, because I would want to explain to you in detail how is this batch going to be different. Yes. Sir, the question bank I was talking about. This is the question bank. For example, you take the example of any particular question, say this one. The question, everyone, has a QR code. So for example, first of all, it's comprehensive. Second, with every question, you have the background of the question, that where does it come from? You realize the importance of that question. Third, again, very important, it is again unique for AFM in the entire India. Every question has a QR code. Whenever you want, as many times as you want, you can scan the QR code for this question. For most of the questions, by scanning the QR code, you'll be able to watch the video solution of this particular question. Today you take the class. After a year, for example, you feel, any kind of discomfort on that question. Quickly scanning the question, in the next 2 minutes, in next 1 minute, you'll be able to watch the video solution of that particular question at your own. Yes, without waiting for my response to your message, without searching on the internet randomly for a question here and there, everything is there on your fingertips, which really makes your learning, it adds convenience to your learning. In fact, let me tell you a small thing. For example, any particular question has an ambiguity, right? Those ambiguities have been addressed by way of self-note. Any ambiguity related to that particular question which I feel can create a doubt in the mind of the student, that has been answered, that have been addressed by way of a self note, which is by OutScanner eases out your learning, right? That was about the question bank. Third, and an important thing which actually I cannot show you, but that is something you will surely experience, that I'm sure. For example, let me try to explain. Say this is the next graph. You know what actually comes to the exam is just this particular equation, But if I don't explain to you the mathematical background of the equation, if I don't explain to you the underlying background, the variables of the equation, the mathematical way to create the equation, all that if I don't teach you, it simply remains a mug up for you. However, when you have that background, graphical presentation, all these things, right? It does not only evolves your ability to think, you don't only become smarter in finance, but also it makes you capable of solving even newer questions in the exam. It makes you capable of solving even MCQs in the exam, which means this batch will particularly prepare you to solve even the MCQs and not only the practical questions that we do in the class. Yes, people. So that approach of first learning that concept right from the scratch, then approach of being able to apply that concept in the question, then trying to fit the question in the concept, trying to fit the data given in the question to the concept to be able to understand that yes, this data is given and based on the concept that we have learned, we are able to fit the data and this is how it should be solved. That approach we follow. In fact, let me tell you, we solve a question not with an intent to get the answer. We rather solve a question. Answer is a byproduct. We solve it with an intent to understand what all has this question taught to us. Because once you give that, learning to your brain become capable of solving even the newer question, which has, which has tricks which are already there in this particular question. Yes. So in the class, for example, I feel that if there is an out of the box question, that particular question is being given to you in the class in the form of challenge. And most of the students are able to solve that challenge question at their own. And that's not created by me. That is rather asked by the institute in the previous attempts. When you solve those challenge question, it first of all give you the confidence that if there is an out of the box question and if you are able to solve it at your own in the first time, then it is not the matter of intelligence which you are struggling in the exam. You are intelligent enough, but it is a matter of time pressure that you have to deal in the exam. But that realization and confidence you get only when you have the learning that way, only when you face those challenge questions in the class. Yes. So this is just an example of how will the approach matter, right? But all those things that you see in these notes, right? Everything has an underlying thought process or background which make AFM really easy, really interesting for you. Perfect. And as I said, the approach part is something difficult to express in words, but something which you experience and then you realize how is becoming AFM easy and interesting for you. Next and really important is the free power batch access. Whenever you buy this batch, people in the class, you get a free access to the power batch, that 75-hour short duration concept plus question power batch that you can access whenever you want after watching your regular batch, right? So you watch the regular batch now, at a later point you feel to rewatch the things, revise them, right? So others that have to pay a cost of say around 2000 rupees for that batch, you don't have to pay even a single rupee and you get a free access to it. And sir, more importantly, one more thing, really comprehensive YouTube revision video. So if you observe in the description of this video, you'll get a link of the playlist which has chapter wise really comprehensive full English revision of the concepts as well as the practical questions of those chapters. So not that you have to take the batch today and later you don't have any support. All those things that you need till the exam, you have all of them with you. These are the major reasons why you must consider this batch to not only secure great marks, but have that confidence in the AFM when you go to the exam hall, make you ready for finance, evolve your thought process, in fact, evolve you as a person. So as I say, when you attend it live, you have altogether a different experience. I mean, you won't realize how quick, how fast those 3 hours every day will pass through the live interaction that we have every day in the class. Your learning become fun and you don't have to watch the time after every 15-20 minutes to figure out when will the lecture get over, right? Every day, with every day when the lectures gets over, the weeks will pass, the months will pass, and you won't even realize how the batch has completed. This subject will really become an ease as a whole with this batch. Perfect. So that was all I wanted to inform about this full English exam focus regular batch I was telling you, right? Hopefully see you all live in the sessions. Link to first lecture which is going to happen live on the YouTube is there in the description of this video. See you all people live. Bye. Take care. Thank you so much for watching up this video. Yes.